जिन देशों में हुई वहां उनके लिए शब्द है। जैसे एक शब्द चला पिछले साल, लिंचिंग, ये क्या हमारे यहाँ होता था कभी? हुआ है?
RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat's Dussehra speech calling lynching a Western construct has not gone down well with many and has attracted sharp criticism from AIMIM chief Asauddin Owaisi. Once again, Owaisi and RSS chief lock horns. Owaisi tore into RSS chief for saying that lynching was alien to India and being used to defame the country. In a tweet, Owaisi said Muslims, Dalits and even Hindus have been victims of incidents of mob lynching in the country. There cannot be a bigger defamation of India than ideology that killed Gandhi or Tabriz. Bhagwat isn't saying stop lynching, he's saying don't call it that. While delivering a speech at the Dussehra event in Nagpur, RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat had said that lynching didn't belong to the Indian ethos.
यहाँ ऐसी बातें कभी हुई नहीं। जिन देशों में हुई वहां उनके लिए शब्द है। जैसे एक शब्द चला पिछले साल, लिंचिंग, ये क्या हमारे यहाँ होता था कभी? हुआ है? ये शब्द कहां से आए हैं? इसके संबंधित पुरानी कहानी तो एक बाहर जो धर्म ग्रंथ तैयार हुआ उससे मिलती है।
Owaisi also led a scathing attack on Bhagwat's comment on Hindu Rashtra. Lashing out at Bhagwat's statement that RSS is firm on its vision that Bharat is a Hindu Rashtra, Asauddin Owaisi reacted saying Hindu Rashtra is a flight of fancy for the RSS. There have been several cases of mob lynching across the country. Recent ones being that of Tabriz Ansari, who was lynched in June on suspicion of theft. In April 2017, Haryana dairy farmer Pehlu Khan was allegedly lynched by a mob of cow vigilantes on Jaipur-Delhi National Highway, which raised eyebrows over the increasing incidents of lynchings by Gaurakshaks.